life good, you know. And if somebody had told me, like when I was growing up, like things would... Let's rewind a bit. So after 2 weeks of being sick, I'm finally going to see the doctor. I know it's my sinus, and also because what is happening around us, the smoke and stuff like that, it's affecting us, or affected me anyways. I think it's time to see the doctor. Yeah. So yes guys, I just get out of the doctor's office. I filled my prescription. Yes, it's my sinus and all the smoke is not helping. So he gave me a different nose spray because I had one before, but I told him that wasn't working. So he prescribed a different one, and it seems like it's a stronger one. So I have that, and I have antibiotics to take if I need it. But right now he said that I don't need to take it if I'm not feeling symptoms. But ironically, look at it. Today is Friday. I've been sick for 2 weeks, and the day that I have doctor's appointment, I don't have more symptoms. But anyways, I'm on break. I took my lunch early, and I'm about to go back to the office. And I decided to stop and get some pizza because I am hungry. I haven't eaten breakfast, and I'm basically on my lunch. So see you guys. So guys, while I wait on my taxi to go back to work, I am here in WassopoorandstillmadeittoCanadaVlog, just checking out some stuff for Malika and Malia. Welcome back to our channel. So today I will be taking you along with me on the road, and our first pit stop is Sally's. As you can see, my hair have gone out, and I need to get like relaxer and stuff like that. So we are here at Sally's, one of my favorite hair spots in GP.
If you wanted to stay the blonde, then you're going to need to bleach your own and then use shampoo.
Yeah.
But
so we're here.
that literally helps guard from the sun.
Soft and beautiful.
Oops.
What's this?
But it
So guys, I decided to get this one instead of the Olive Miracle. This one is in line with what I normally use, so getting this one. And detangler from Malia or Malika and stuff like that.
I got like tables, brushes. I'm so sorry.
So these are some of the stuff you can get at Sally's. Ooh.
Yeah, and then that's it.
Yep. Nails. So on to our next stop. So guys, now I'm at the African store. I'm going to get braiding here. Hopefully they do. Hello. So we already featured this African store on our channel, so you guys go and check out that video. So I'm trying to get braiding here. Here we go. I'm here digging and it's right here. What's the price for this again? Sorry? What's the cost for this? $11. Okay. So that's it, guys. This is what I just came for the African store to get. So guys, these are some of the ear products you can get here as well. So black castor oil, and I need to get one of those. And same ear cream, $18. Equal. And edge control, stuff like that. The bleaching cream if you need it. Well, some other stuff. So guys, I am attempting to do a hairstyle that is affordable. It's something that I'm gonna try to do with creaming out my hair and doing the braid. Hopefully you guys like the result at the end of the video. If it turns out good, you will see it anyways. So let's go. never turned out the way I wanted it to. And my ponytail, my ketchup is all the way in the back. But I like it. This is going to work for the week. Today is Wednesday. Yes, so for the rest of the week, this is what I'm going to have in. But it can work with for now. Yep. Tell me, drop it in the comment section if you like it or you don't. Give me a feedback, guys. Thank you. Guys, I am here at work, and you know, it's my lunchtime, and I'm just sitting down in my office thinking about my life basically and everything that I've been through. And yeah, I'm outside now. Can't say outside because I realize the outside nice, no smoke, a little wind, a little chill in the air, but it's okay. I realize that yo, life good, you know. And if somebody had told me like when I was growing up like things will get better, I would have not believed them. It's a pity that we don't like when persons are going through stuff, they can't see the future to see like, you know, everything's gonna work out. Although it does work out, but while you're in it, you can't see it. I remember when I was growing up, just left high school, 16, and I was depressed for one entire year, and I didn't know what would happen to me. And looking back how much years now, look how much part me there. Me there Canada. I can't believe it. Me can't believe somebody at Canada. I can't believe somebody at Canada. Me now a good local job. I'm about to start school. You know, I co-own a business with my husband. I'm like, yo, while you're going through stuff, yo, you can't predict the future. Wish we could, but we can't predict the future. Things are working out so good for me, and I'm so grateful. I am so grateful. Sometimes I don't express myself, and sometimes I don't really know how to express myself, so let others know how grateful I am. But to everybody that have helped me throughout my life, even if it was just an encouraging word, I want to just say thank you. There's a lot of persons who came into my life for just, you know, short periods, 2 days, 1 day, just a pass through, just give a little word, a smile when I was going through a lot of stuff. Yo, thank you, because sometimes it's persons like those make you know, say, you know, there's hope. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. I can't call out everybody because what my people pass through my life. But guys, just realize that everything takes time. Time is a big factor in everything. And while you're going through depression, don't have no food, bills are pile up, can't have money to feed your kids, stuff like that, it will all work out. Trust me. I am still in I am still at knowing that yo, where me I come from, never easy, and things have been thrown in my path to break me, like really break me. I was broken, but really break me till me reach to a point where yo, me give up. Me trust me, my life never easy, you know. Yo, at one point I never know somebody that reached 18 years old. At one point I never living in the situation that I lived, I never knew I would reach 18 years old. And when I reached 18, it was like a big accomplishment, just that alone. So yo, a lot of persons out there are going through a lot of stuff and have been through a lot, and they're dealing with a lot. My word of encouragement to everybody, just either give a smile, and if you can pass on a smile to somebody else, just do it. It makes a world of difference, trust me. Allow me to tell you something, smile. Me always smile myself. But yeah, it is, yeah, just give a smile. It is, I like out here. Out here look nice, my guys. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. But yeah, guys, just encourage anybody you can encourage. You know, I reflect on myself and realize that anybody that comes around me, or persons that I consider friend, because I really have any, or anybody that are friends for a short while with me, they can't say, only one thing they can say about me, I'm always encouraging. Even when me not see. When things are gonna work out, I always encourage. And if you can do that, do that. Yes, guys. So yeah, that's all enough I said to you guys. I have a little looking nice nuts. But yeah. Oh guys, thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. One of these days I'm gonna sit down and read the way, don't know about how my life really was. I know I do what we did a video from Port to Canada and whatever, but I'm gonna really get to know me, and things I've really got through. And know say yo, this girl is an overcomer. Nothing now hold me down, and nothing now hold me down, and nobody not going to hold me back. So you know what? Peace, love, and have a blessed day. See you guys in the next. Oh, by the way, I need to subscribe to the channel before you guys go. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and see you guys in the next video.